Hi kids, are you ready for some fun? Today we're off to a farm to discover a mystery animal. Can you help find it? Here's your first clue. This animal loves to roll in the mud. Can you guess what it could be? Look, there's a big red barn. Inside the barn we see chickens. Can you shout cluck cluck? That's the sound chickens make. But wait, chickens don't roll in the mud. So our mystery animal isn't here. Let's keep looking. Oh no, what's that noise? Moo! It's a cow standing near the pond. Can you moo like the cow? Cows love to eat grass and give us milk, but cows don't roll in the mud either. Let's check out another spot on the farm. What's that on the ground? Wiggly waggly tails. It's a group of dogs running near the haystacks. Dogs love to run and wag their tails. Can you say woof woof? But dogs don't say oink oink or roll in the mud, so they're not our mystery animal. Let's keep hunting. Now we're near the pig pen. Do you see that? Pink animals with curly tails are squishing, splashing, and rolling in the mud. Can you say oink oink? That's it. Our mystery animal is a pig. Pigs love rolling in the mud to cool off. Did you know they don't sweat like we do? Isn't that so funny? Pigs are also super smart and can learn tricks. They love to snort and grunt when they're happy. Can you wiggle your nose like a pig? Snort, snort. What an exciting day on the farm. Let's remember what we found. Chickens go cluck cluck, cows go moo, dogs go woof woof, and pigs go oink oink. Did you guess the mystery animal right? Pigs are so fun. Thanks for visiting the farm with me today, kids. Be sure to come back for another animal adventure soon. And remember, this outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today.